Good morning, children. Once again, we are here for our English class. We have learnt so far in the small letters A to I, the letter I. And now we are going to write the letter J. And we have learnt in the capital alphabets J for joker. And you see here a picture in front of you. It is J for jacket. And when do we wear this? Yes, in the winter season, to protect us from cold. So this is J for jacket. And one more. See your picture. J for jeep. J for jeep. J for jug. This picture is jug. J for jug. And here this is again the same picture, J for jacket. Now we have learnt in the capital letters to write J. And in the capital letters we wrote the letter J on the first 3 lines. We wrote the letter J on the first 3 lines. And now in the small letters we are going to write this letter J on the second, third and fourth line. The downward 3 lines. So we will leave the first line as it is and we will write on the second, third and fourth line. And in the capital letters we put the slipping line on the first line where we wrote the J letter. That time we put the slipping line on top, first line. And here in the small letters we are going to put just one dot. एक बिंदु डालेंगे. Just one dot, like how we put in the letter I. Now see here. It is already written in your book. This first line we are leaving as it is and we are going to start from the second line. Second line we make a standing line first and small backward curve. And here is a one dot. Once again, standing line on the second, third and fourth, all 3 lines you join and you make a backward curve, small backward curve, and on top you will put one dot. Here in this page number 24 you have to trace the words. All the dots are put, you just join and you will get the alphabet J. And when you come on the page number 25, here you all have to put first dots, then only you will do. Otherwise you will make a mistake of writing from the first line. So you have to write here from the second line. You will make dots like this, 3 dots. You join all these 3 dots together and make a standing line and small backward curve. And on top of the J letter you will put one dot. Once again you see you have here 3 dots. You will join these 3 dots, make a standing line and then you make a backward curve and on top one dot. Similarly all the places you will get this way dots. Your parents will help you to put. See how I am putting so that it will be easy for you. And when you come down you will color the pictures. This is J for jug and this is J for jacket. Jacket is given on page number 24 also. There is a jacket is given. This is green color. You can put any other color as you wish. And now we will go to the activity of page number 26. Page number 26, activity. It's written here matching fun. What it is written? Matching fun. मतलब आपको मिलान करना है. Now read here. Match each picture with the first letter of each name lying in the fish bowl. यहाँ पर आपको पिक्चर रिकॉग्नाइज करना है. You have to recognize the pictures and then you will join with these alphabets. Alphabets are here in this bowl on top of this. So now you see here, which is this picture? Yes, F for fox. So now you will come from here, you will get like this line, you will put, and you will come here in the fish bowl, and here you will make F. It is the F letter is here, so you will join this letter. So like this you will draw all these lines. You will match the pictures with their first letters. This is H for hen. Very good. G for grapes. J for jacket. I for iron. And all these letters are here. These 5 letters are here. This activity you will do in your copy also. This activity you will do in your copy also. In the book it is very easy. Just you have to recognize and match the letters. And in the copy you will draw the pictures. Your parents will help you to draw the pictures and you will match it. Then when you come to the page number 27, it's a letter fun. It's a letter fun. Color the box of starting letter of each picture. Now what is this picture? See here. See the picture? Yes. F for fox. F for fox. So this is the letter F for fox. This is I. This is H. So this letter F. You have to color the picture. This is this box. You have to color it. Color with the crayons. Understood? You will color this box with the crayons, so that it is understood that you have understood this picture and the letter also. This is, what is this picture? Say G for globe. G for globe. Where is this letter? Here in these 3 you have to find out which is this letter. The letter is here, G, small g. So here also you will color with the crayons. Okay, with the crayons you will color. Now you see here the picture G, E, J. The letters are G, E, J. What is this picture? J for jam. J for jam. See here. This is the bread and we put here something. We apply the jam and we eat the bread. Okay. This is J for jam. H for hut. H for hut. Here see, this is the letter H. I for ice cream. You are like every one of you. So I for ice cream. Okay. So this also activity will do in your copy. So you have for your homework page number 24, 25, 26 and 27 in your book, and page number 26 and 27 in your copy also. So these both the activities, matching fun and letter fun, these both activities you will do in your copy, in English copy. Okay, bye.